In a world where wanderlust and adventure are celebrated, there exists a world of mobile opulence that transcends the notion of mere recreational vehicles. While for most, RVs are synonymous with convenience and road-tripping essentials, there is a select group for whom the road becomes a passage to extravagance, and their vehicles, rolling palaces of luxury. These mobile masterpieces, priced to rival exclusive homes in upscale neighborhoods, are designed for a discerning clientele that demands not just comfort, but opulence on wheels. Step inside the Integra Cornerstone, and you'll find yourself enveloped in a world of unparalleled luxury. Every inch of this mobile haven is a testament to craftsmanship and sophistication. High-class quartz countertops grace the kitchen. Handcrafted hardwood cabinetry exudes elegance. Upscale porcelain tile floors lend an air of grandeur. And Italian leather furniture invites you to sink into a lavish comfort. The interior is not just reminiscent of a luxury home, it surpasses the standards of most high-end residences. The spacious kitchen in the Cornerstone is a gourmet's dream come true. It rivals the finest culinary spaces found in traditional homes. Featuring an induction cooktop, a 24-inch stainless steel dishwasher, and a single-bowl granite sink, this kitchen is more than just functional. It's a statement of culinary excellence on the move. Whether you're a master chef or an amateur food enthusiast, this kitchen caters to your every culinary whim. The Integra Cornerstone is not just a triumph of design, it's a showcase of technology. Multiple smart TVs, a Bose sound system, an LED-lit fireplace, and more ensure that entertainment and relaxation are at the forefront of your journey. Whether you're catching up on your favorite series or enjoying a cozy night in, the Cornerstone's tech enhancements elevate your experience to new heights. At the back of this luxurious cabin lies a private sanctuary. A king-size master suite that defies expectations. Complete with its own stylish ensuite bathroom and walk-in closets, this is where you'll find respite and rejuvenation during your travels. Movie nights on the road become a luxurious affair with a retractable TV, ensuring that you never miss a moment of leisure. Speaking of leisure, this single-family motorhome, built on a Mercedes Actros truck chassis, takes the concept of lavish travel to unprecedented heights, redefining what it means to journey in style and comfort. One of the standout features of the Concord Centurion 1200 is its modular chassis, which provides both structural integrity and flexibility. This design allows for the inclusion of an underground garage, an automotive haven for your prized possessions. Whether you're traveling with a sports car or any suitable vehicle, this motorhome accommodates your passion for the road, ensuring that your luxurious travel experience extends beyond the motorhome itself. Step inside the Centurion and you'll be greeted by a spacious interior that radiates a unique kind of harmony. The design is not just eye-catching, it's functionally brilliant. The creative furniture layout seamlessly blends into the rounded shape of the cabin, maximizing space and providing a sense of flow. High cabinets are transformed into individual elements, adding both utility and elegance to the living area. Within this mobile palace, no detail is spared. The kitchen, for instance, is equipped with accessories that befit a Michelin-starred restaurant. A dishwasher ensures effortless cleanup, while a coffee machine caters to your caffeine cravings. But the luxury doesn't end there. The Centurion boasts not only heated floors, but also a heated roof and sidewalls, ensuring that you remain in the lap of comfort regardless of the external climate. In a world where security is paramount, the Centurion goes the extra mile. It features a surveillance system with 16 cameras, providing a 360-degree view of your surroundings. Safety and peace of mind are priorities, allowing you to embark on your journeys with confidence. The price of German luxury? It's no surprise that such a feat of engineering and luxury comes with a substantial price tag. The Concord Centurion 1200 starts at $750,000, reflecting the commitment to delivering the highest level of luxury and functionality. For those who seek not only a mode of transportation, but a lifestyle on wheels, this price is a testament to the exclusivity and comfort that this motorhome offers. The Voltner Mobile Performance S emerges as a veritable 5-star hotel on wheels. Elegant, spacious, and technologically advanced, this 40-foot mobile masterpiece invites you to embark on a journey where opulence knows no bounds. Upon entering the Voltner Mobile Performance S, you'll be enveloped in a living space that's nothing short of a contemporary art gallery. With a generous 320 square feet of interior space, this motorhome offers an unparalleled sense of roominess. Luxury in the Voltner Performance S extends to every detail. Plush velvet sofas invite you to recline in comfort, while a huge Samsung TV and a Sonos sound system create a cinema-like experience for entertainment. The hardwood floors exude elegance, while the kitchen is adorned with quartz countertops and top-of-the-line appliances. You'll find that every aspect of this motorhome reflects the highest standards of quality. The master suite in the Performance S is more than just a bedroom, it's a sanctuary of rest and rejuvenation. Featuring a king-sized adjustable bed, spacious wardrobes, and a unique washer-dryer positioned in front of a large window, this suite offers the utmost in comfort and convenience. The integrated TV elegantly lowers into the cabinet, allowing you to admire spectacular views from your bed. The ensuite bathroom in the Voltner Mobile Performance S is nothing short of a spa-like retreat. Complete with a mirrored medicine cabinet and boasting the largest walk-in shower in the industry, complete with a 28-inch integrated TV screen, this bathroom ensures that every moment spent preparing for the day is a luxurious experience. Supreme quality and extreme comfort always come at a price, and the Performance S is no exception. This rolling masterpiece commands an impressive price tag, with a starting cost of $1.7 million. Whether you seek opulence on wheels or simply marvel at the extraordinary, remember that the road is long, but the journey is what truly matters in these rolling palaces of extravagance. If you like to stay up to date with the world of luxury, keep an eye out for our next video.